Hey guys, what is up?
Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So we've got a very exciting screenshot on the Reddit forum, and I think this really is going to motivate you guys. So this is a photo from March 2021. We were lucky ones that bought in a very good price. So as you can see, the conversions between SHIB and USDT, and you can see a lot of zeros here. So back in the days, this is what made people very wealthy. Those that managed to find the gold mine, to really, go in nice and early, have profited big time. Probably the biggest returns they have ever made. When SHIB went to its peak, from holding about 9-10 zeros and then dropping all these zeros and only being at around 4 zeros, these were the incredible times. I mean, people were making millions of percent of return. Some people became billionaires, some millionaires, others made hundreds of thousands of dollars. But what I can tell you for sure, money was being made, and big money, life-changing money that could help you retire, your family's generations. So this is very exciting, and I think at the moment this kind of brings a little memory to us and the potential that this could actually happen again in the future, because we are waiting for one of the biggest developments, Shibarium, when things are really going to start changing and going in the right path. And I guess this is going to be instrumental for all of us, the Shibarium Layer 2 solution that will be expected to come out very soon. And hopefully it can contribute to the burning, eliminate the zeros, and hit the 1 cent dream that we are all waiting for. I mean, so many holders out there, more than 1.2 million holders. What do they all want? They want to reach the 1 cent dream. I know some would say, oh, I'd be happy with 2 zeros, 3 zeros, but that is kind of the common goal, okay? And once that goal is reached, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be the biggest crypto story of all time. How Shiba Inu holders, how 1 million people, more than 1 million people became extremely wealthy from holding this cryptocurrency. And I think we are very close to that happening, but we are going to require some patience and some motivation. So just screenshots like these really do serve a lot of benefit for us. I mean, just look at it. Back in the days, those that managed to go in nice and early to purchase just millions of it, okay, because it was holding so many zeros, genuinely did benefit so much when it hit its peak, as I've said. And I want this so badly, and I do believe that this could be the case. And if it doesn't happen in 2023, then 2024, 2025 is so worth it, because at the end of the day, you should be investing money that you can afford to lose, that you can afford to forget about. And if you just have, say for example, $1,000 laying there on the side, that you don't really need that much. Unless, and if you did need it, then you shouldn't even be investing. But if you don't need it, let it lay there. You never know. The upside is so high. Worst case scenario, yeah, you lose some of it. But the best case scenario is that your life and your children's lives, your grandchildren's lives change forever, okay? You have already created the stepping blocks for them to grow up in the best conditions ever, for their children to grow up in the best conditions ever, and for you guys to retire nice and early, or to live your life in the biggest and best possible way. So guys, just look at this screenshot, and hopefully this can serve as a motivation. I'm trying to produce as much as I can motivational content, because I know it is so important nowadays, especially in these really complicated, turbulent times when there's so much political turbulence, negative energy everywhere, a lot of FUD, and people just not seeing a great future. And I think things like this can kind of provide to you this boost of morale for you to just forget about the negativity and to understand that great things are to happen. But it is going to require your patience. And if you can wait, then wait with a smile on your face, because it is coming. It's coming, and it is going to have a major effect on everything. And just in general, you will learn the skill of patience, which you could apply to any future investments that you make, and you will understand that good analysis, good research, staying motivated, and being patient are is the recipe for success. So either way, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate all the support as usual. So happy that you guys are part of this journey. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notifications bell, spread the word, spread the positive energy, the message. And if you have any thoughts in regards to 2021, would you have bought a lot of SHIB? How would you have reacted if you would have made a lot of money? And were you part of this lucky group? Let me know down below in the comment section. Would appreciate it so much. And guys, peace out, and I'll see you in my next video.